Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio, and today we have a cool little video. It's a short one, but I think you'll get a really neat idea on how to make this little folio. We have a really good friend and subscriber to our channel, Weltha Smith, and occasionally she sends us a little challenge for making a project that she has come up with. And this is her newest one, and it's just adorable, and we were so thrilled to get the chance to make it. So anyway, the really neat part of it is, it's only made with 3 envelopes. And when you put them together, you get this little folio, and it has a pocket. Yeah, thanks, Deb. Has a pocket on either end, and then it has, we put a little pocket here in the middle, and I forgot to put the thumb tab in there to make it easier, but I will. And a pocket in the middle, so it holds quite a bit. And you could even add more pockets to this if you like. This is just the way we put it together this morning. So then you fold it all up again and you turn it over, and this is the most clever part of all. Now you have a belly band back here made from the flaps of the envelope. And I think it's just such a cute idea, and it's so easy to put together that everybody could have a lot of fun doing it. So I'm going to show you now how it works with just the 3 envelopes. And you can just, it doesn't matter what envelopes you use because you're going to cover them anyway and decorate them any way you like. The easiest for us from Weltha's instructions were to lay the two of the envelopes together with their pointy parts facing each other and the pockets up from the mat. Then you take the 3rd envelope and you lay it upside down to the other 2, just like this, and then you slip the flap of one of of this envelope into, and these envelopes are really, we got them at dollar store or something. They're not very substantial, so they're hard to work with. But anyway, you put the flap of the one envelope into the envelope at the right or the left, whichever you pick. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now you have this long piece like this. Then you can take, I guess I could do it for you here. You take a little tiny thin line of glue, and you go right down the outside, well, it would be on the flap side of the crease of the envelope. Just a little thin one so you don't use up much room of your belly band on the back. Then you just lay that down there, just like I say, on the inside of the fold line of the envelope. Just press it down, and you can fold it over and kind of give it a quick crease with your bone folder. And on this side, I'm not going to take the time to do it now, but on this side, you glue this flap, and you can actually just glue it across the top here. And you slip that down inside of the envelope. Fold it up. Make sure that you haven't left yourself enough room so that it folds up easily. Why am I not doing that? Let's see. Just pull him out from the crease there so that he comes up just shy of the crease on the envelope. And then fold it over. Come on, buddy. Why aren't you working? Like I say, these envelopes are terrible. They're hard to work with. Okay. And fold him up. There he goes. Okay. And then take your bone folder and fold him down. And then you have this little folio on the front here. And on the back, you have this really cool little belly band. You can just glue these 2 little tabs together. And on this one, we added one of our little discs that we just made in the video beforehand. Pardon me?
What, vignettes? Is that what
vignettes? Yeah.
Okay,
I call them little medallions, but they're cute. Yeah. Anyway, it was the video that we just finished. And we put one on the back of it. And you've got this cute little belly band. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple, but what a clever idea to come up with. Really a cute idea, Weltha. And then you could decorate it any way you like, you know, and you don't even have to have all white envelopes. If you have, you know, different colors or something, it doesn't really matter because you're going to cover it anyway. And so you can use up your scrap envelopes that you have onesie or twosies of, just so that you have 3 working envelopes that you could use here. I'm folding it the wrong way because I don't have it glued. So that's what you get. You get this little folio, and you can do whatever you want with it. But this is the base of it for you to get started on any kind of little decorating that you want to do. So totally clever idea. Really cute. Really cute. Keep those ideas coming, Weltha. These are super cute. Okay, I guess that's it for us.